Hey guys, welcome to 360 Catering's Kitchen. This is Cody Hickman. I'm the chef today. So what we're going to do is we're going to make you a chocolate covered cherry. It is National Chocolate Covered Cherry Day. What we're going to do to make it a little different is we're going to make it more of a cordial by adding amaretto. Who doesn't like a little alcohol in their sweets? Also, we're using dark chocolate. That's going to make it a very, very healthy snack, as long as you don't eat all of them. So, I know that's the hard part, right? You make them, you eat them just as fast as you make them. So anyways, let's go ahead and start with a little vegetable. We're going to bring our double boiler over here. Put a little vegetable oil in it. That helps not to thin out the chocolate so it doesn't get so thick that you can't use it. Look at that, already starting to melt. Oh, I love the look of melting chocolate. It's just absolutely amazing. So I hope everybody had a good New Year's Day. I know I did. We did a little black hummus and it was a lot of fun sharing it with you guys. This is, as you can see, this doesn't take very long at all. You just want to keep stirring, stirring, stirring. The fun part about this is how easy it is. So you don't have to remember a bunch of steps or did he do this or do that. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to add our amaretto in. Again, we'll thin it out just a little bit. But we don't want it too thin. We want it nice and thick as well. Now you can always do it however you want. You can make it thinner, thicker, however you feel that you want it. Put a little cherries in there. And then mix them all up.
Knock it.
Spread them out a little bit. And I like to add a little powdered sugar. So here again we have our dark chocolate covered cherries, a little amaretto in them. We did a little powdered sugar over top. Put them in the refrigerator overnight, cover them up. They'll be perfect to go for a nice snack for you whenever you're ready.